Hi everyone, this is Hyundai Ascent 2018 model, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the gear lever knob shifter for the Hyundai Ascent. So this is the gear lever knob. As you can see, 2018 is a new model. So this is how I remove it. So now I start from using this trim remover to start from opening this one. The trim. Okay. Yeah. And I will make the gear come to D. The reason why it comes to D because how you move it, I have to hold firm and pull it. So when it was parked, you see, you can hurt yourself or you can damage something here. So that's why I prefer to put on D. And after D, you hold it firm and you pull it out. Hard. One hand cannot pull large. You have to use two hands. Really hard. You need to hold it and pull it well. Very tight. Okay, let's make it like this. Hold it firm. Okay. See. Now this one have no lock. All you have to hold firm with the two hands and pull it out. Always be careful because you can hurt yourself while pulling it out. That's why I prefer to put in D to be able to remove it. So this is the wire. You can see half wire here. So after fixing also same, you need to just find the hole, put inside, and you fix the wire. So this is it, fixing also same. See, you put in the hole and you make sure you fix the wire. After the wire, you direct the position of this one. You press until you hear a click, and after you fix this one.